happened when your toothpaste was almost used up? Isn't it really frustrating that I can't squeeze it out? Today, let's solve this problem by using a goofoo 3D printer to easily print a toothpaste squeezing tool. Today, I am using a Mini Plus desktop printer. Full aluminum alloy construction. High-one industrial linear guide rail. Flexible magnetic build mat. Goofoo 3D printer material printing. Patented modular extruder. Large touch screen with high definition and sensitivity. Is the completion very exquisite?